The hidden world of the tiny traveler, scientific facts we never knew. In the natural world, small organisms often play roles far greater than their size might suggest. Flies, among the most widespread insect groups on Earth, are a prime example of this principle. Although they appear in nearly every type of environment from urban landscapes to rural fields, they are often considered too familiar to warrant attention. Yet behind their seemingly simple presence lies a wide array of biological mechanisms, remarkable adaptive abilities, and numerous fascinating phenomena that decades of scientific research have worked to uncover. Flies are not merely organisms that survive through rapid reproduction. They possess distinctive characteristics related to sensory structure, neural processing, digestive physiology, and reflex capabilities. These biological systems provide them with significant survival advantages, enabling them to adapt to constantly changing environments and sparking ongoing scientific curiosity about their inner workings. In this video, we will examine 10 notable and lesser-known characteristics of flies, ranging from how they acquire information through compound eyes, their superior visual processing speed, their unique digestive mechanisms, to the ecological roles they play in natural systems. Each characteristic is explained through scientific understanding, offering a new perspective on flies as small organisms equipped with highly efficient biological systems. If you enjoy scientific content, nature exploration, and research into the microscopic world, remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss future episodes. The natural world is vast, and there is always more to discover. Flies belong to the order Diptera, a group of insects comprising tens of thousands of species. Most flies share a fundamental anatomical feature. They possess one pair of functional wings and a pair of reduced hindwings known as halteres. The halteres act as gyroscopic organs, enabling fine-tuned balance control and allowing flies to adjust their flight paths with exceptional precision. This mechanism explains their ability to perform rapid aerial maneuvers and instantaneous directional changes. One of the most striking features of flies is their compound eyes. Each eye is composed of thousands of ommatidia individual photoreceptive units, providing a broad field of view in multiple directions simultaneously. Although the overall resolution is lower than that of human eyes, flies process visual information at a significantly faster rate. Their flicker fusion frequency can exceed 250 frames per second, far surpassing the human average of around 60 frames. This rapid processing allows flies to detect motion quickly, making them exceptionally difficult to capture. Another notable biological mechanism is their method of tasting and digesting food. Unlike larger animals, flies cannot ingest solid material. Instead, they release digestive enzymes onto the surface of food to dissolve it, then absorb the resulting liquid through a specialized feeding structure. Taste receptors located on their legs allow them to evaluate nutritional content immediately upon landing. The nervous system of a fly, though small, is highly efficient and optimized for rapid reflexes. Studies show that signal transmission in flies' neural circuits, especially those responsible for evasive responses, is extremely fast. This enables them to detect potential threats and initiate escape behavior in just a few tens of milliseconds. Beyond their biological traits, flies play significant ecological roles. They contribute to organic matter decomposition, facilitating nutrient cycling in natural environments. Many fly species are also involved in pollination. Additionally, the fruit fly Drosophila melanogaster has become one of the most important model organisms in genetic research, contributing to major scientific discoveries in genomics, developmental biology, and cellular mechanisms. Flies also exhibit impressive sensitivity to temperature and humidity. Sensory receptors on their bodies help them detect environmental conditions suitable for reproduction and larval development. Their life cycle is typically short, only a few weeks from egg to adult, allowing for rapid evolutionary change and strong adaptive capacity. Recent studies suggest that flies demonstrate individual behavioral variation. Though this does not equate to personality in the human sense, experiments show that flies display consistent behavioral choices, such as varying levels of exploratory or risk-avoidant behavior. This indicates a surprising degree of behavioral diversity even among organisms with relatively simple nervous systems. From a scientific viewpoint, flies are not simple creatures but highly optimized biological systems refined through millions of years of evolution. Their sensory architecture, reflex pathways, digestive strategies, and ecological functions collectively illustrate the sophistication of small organisms in nature. By examining the biological characteristics, behavioral patterns, and ecological roles of flies, it becomes evident that these small organisms possess an impressive array of functional adaptations. Their rapid flight, instantaneous reflexes, and reproductive efficiency are only part of a much broader system of evolutionary success. Flies are also deeply embedded in scientific research and ecological balance. Their fast visual processing, specialized compound eyes, halteres for aerial stability, high-speed neural circuitry, and unique digestive mechanisms all contribute to their remarkable adaptability. The combination of these biological traits enables flies to survive in environments ranging from densely populated urban areas to remote natural habitats. In scientific research, the fruit fly stands out as one of the most extensively used model organisms. Its short life cycle, high reproductive rate, and nearly fully mapped genome make it ideal for experiments involving genetics, developmental processes, cell biology, and molecular pathways. Many foundational discoveries in modern biology have emerged from research involving Drosophila. Ecologically, flies serve as essential agents of organic decomposition, helping to break down waste and restore nutrients to ecosystems. They also form an important food source for birds, spiders, and numerous insectivorous species. Some fly species function as pollinators for both wild plants and agricultural crops. When considering these elements together, it becomes clear that flies are far more than common insects encountered in daily life. They represent the complexity of natural evolution on a small scale where every sensory system, reflex action, and behavioral pattern is the product of long-term adaptation. Through studying flies, scientists gain deeper insights into biological principles, ecological relationships, and evolutionary diversity. We hope this content not only provides scientific knowledge but also encourages you to view flies from a more objective and informed perspective. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of one of nature's most underrated organisms. Wishing you a calm evening and a restful night. Good night.